Hey guys, so today's video is going to be the Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. This is the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag unboxing. I'm so excited to be able to show you guys what I got. I don't know what's in here at all. I've seen a couple of spoilers accidentally. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to see what's in here. So this is what the inside looks like. It has a little tag that says Lucky Bag 2020 and it says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crayon on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2020, hashtag Beautylish. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so, oh, cool. So this is the first thing that I saw. Well, not the first thing, but the first thing I'm pulling out. These are the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set. I actually love these drinking straws. I don't own any other ones, so I'm really excited. I wish they came with that carrying pouch so I could just carry one in my purse and use it when I go out, but it's okay. I'm excited to use these around the house. These are the blue ones, and I love blue, so this is exciting. It comes with one straight one and three curved ones and a cleaner. So that's pretty exciting. And you know what? Let me pull up the prices of this so we can see the value of this box. So this set runs for $19.99 on Beautylish.com. We have pretty much everything else in this, and I already see two things that I already own. So looks like we're doing a little giveaway in this video, or a big giveaway. So next I see the Liquid Frost in the shade Expensive. And I own a few of his liquid frost just from mystery boxes, and they don't work on me because they're too dark. So hopefully this one finally works on me. Let's see. I'm not getting my hopes up though. I don't know, I might, maybe. You know what? I've lost hope on ever getting a liquid frost that works for my skin tone. This looks still too dark. Oh wait, when you blend it out, it looks really nice. I mean, it's probably still too dark for me. Oh, it's so pretty. I think I can make that one work actually, so I might keep this. So the Liquid Frost runs for $25. Next we've got, oh, a Velour Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Anna Nicole. Okay, it's a red, I'm pretty sure. I don't own Anna Nicole, and I was hoping it would be like one of the nude ones that I do own. I don't own any of his lip liners though, so this is really exciting. And let's swatch it. I love the packaging. It's like his signature packaging. Let's see. So Anna Nicole, wow, that's like an orange. Ooh, I kind of think I need to buy the liquid lip now. Do they even have it available? I'm really excited for this actually. I don't own any of his lip liners. The next two things I already own, and they're actually like the most pricey things in this package, which makes me kind of upset, like pretty freaking angry actually. I don't mind giving things away to you guys, the people that really watch my channel, and I don't mind giving back. The first is the 5-year anniversary Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick set. I did buy this. I have mine sitting right there on the mantle. And I did buy this on launch day, which was Black Friday, and along with the other mystery boxes. So I'll be giving this one away in this video. And then the next thing and last thing in this lucky bag is the Blue Blood palette, which actually came in the Christmas mystery box. I was so excited for that. I was like, so can you imagine if this was blood sugar though? I bought blood sugar for myself for my birthday, last paycheck, whenever that is. My birthday is next week, and I was like, I need to buy it for myself for my birthday. Can you imagine if this was blood sugar instead? Then I could just return the unused, unopened blood sugar. But it's okay. I really do like this palette. I've used it a bunch of times already, and I just got it like basically last month. And so yeah, I'm gonna be giving these two things away, and I actually just filmed a BOXYCHARM unboxing, and there are a few things that I don't want to keep, so I'm gonna add them into this giveaway. I'm gonna just go through them real quick so you guys know what I'm giving away. Let me just quickly add up the value of the lucky bag before I show you. So we have 25 for the Liquid Frost, right? I said 25, right? I'm gonna have to like 25 plus 16 plus $19.99 plus Blue Blood is $52 plus the set was $75. This came out to a total of $187.99, you know, less the two things that I already owned. I actually still ended up getting my money's worth, at least, on the two things that I am keeping. The three things that I am keeping. So that's pretty exciting. All right, let me show you what I'm going to be giving away in this video as well. I unboxed my BOXYCHARM for January, the base box as well as the premium, and I also unboxed my December Boxy Luxe because I hadn't done that because it arrived to me very, very late. And there were 4 things in the boxes that I just don't want to keep. The first is the Too Faced Palm Springs palette. I just don't see myself using this palette a whole lot, so I definitely want to give it to somebody who will make use out of it, and I just don't want to support this company anymore. And if you don't want to support them, then I totally understand. So like the person that wins can let me know. If you really don't want to support Too Faced, totally understand. I'll take it out of your package. I won't give it to you, or you can do whatever you want with it. It doesn't really matter, but it's a really cute palette. Like, I actually really like the colors on the back. I don't want to open a palette that I'm not really going to use. I also have this lip gloss from, it's a high shine sparkling lip gloss from Too Faced as well in the shade Crazy Rich. Now this is like, it looks like such a pretty shade, and I opened it just to see it. I didn't swatch it, and it looks really pretty, but again, I just don't want to support this company. I don't want to buy anything new from them. I don't want to use anything new from them, and I just want to get rid of what I have in my collection. Then I've also got the Kat Von D Lolita Eyeshadow. I just don't see myself using a single eyeshadow, so that's why I'm going to put it in this giveaway. I also don't support the brand Kat Von D, even though yesterday she announced that she was stepping back from the company. Totally, like, kind of knew that was coming. We all saw that coming. The last thing I'm giving away is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. Now this is a little too deep for my skin tone, so if you are lighter than me, this is not going to work for you, but you can go ahead and use it as an eyeshadow or something, so I just want to include that in this giveaway. So again, you'll be winning these 4 things from my BOXYCHARM, plus the Blue Blood and the 5-year anniversary collection. So what I usually do for my giveaways is I make you fill out the Rafflecopter form. I'm not going to do that this time because a lot of people have been having issues with it, and I just want to make it easier on you guys. So all you have to do is leave me a genuine comment down below about this video. Be active in my social media, so like, you know, comment on my videos. I don't expect you to watch every single video like all the way through, but like at least leave genuine comments on some of my videos. I'm gonna pick the most active person to win this giveaway, and then also be subscribed to my channel, obviously, like this video, and then also be following me on Instagram. It'll be down below and right here, and then just leave me your Instagram handle in the comment that you make in this video. So just be active on my social media, subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, a genuine comment, plus your Instagram handle. Follow me on Instagram, be active on my social media, just watch my stuff, and you will win those 1, 2, 3, 4, I can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. They're pretty pricey, so I'm happy to give them away to you guys because I don't want to keep something that I have a duplicate of. Plus, I don't really have anyone else I can give it to that's gonna actually genuinely use it. I want to give it to somebody that can use it in their collection, so I'm very excited to be able to do that. That's it for this unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, disappointed. I kind of expected a little bit more from this lucky bag. This was my first lucky bag that I've ever gotten, and really I only get to keep 3 things. Like, this is what I get to keep. That's it. I'm like really sad about that. Hopefully this works on my skin tone too, because can you imagine? You know what? I just really want to know if it's gonna work on my skin tone. It does work. It doesn't look too bad, right? I finally get to keep one of the frosts. It looks nice actually. Yay. Alright, just had to do that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.